Welcome back. Since this course is about promotion, you want to be aware of the exact language for Prime Video Direct. In order to find that language, you're going to go into the legal section of your support area. When you click that legal link, you're going to see that Amazon Prime Video Direct has content policy guidelines. You want to click that link. When you click the link and you scroll down, what you're going to see is that there's a section here called Poor Customer Experience. You want to click Learn More. And you're going to see a section here that says Business Promotion and External Links. And basically, Amazon Video Direct does not want you to send people outside of Amazon Video Direct. They want all of your activity on the platform to be self-contained for Prime Video Direct. And so this should include content, so there should be no external links, there should be no advertising in the content. In addition, some of the issues fall under quality issues. For example, your cover image should include the title name. If you're going to include a watermark or logo, it should be an accurate distribution channel. And any functionality or call to action should be supported by the Prime Video application. So this platform is not going to be like YouTube. The platform is meant to be a destination in and of itself. It's not meant to be a pass-through sending people to other places. So you'll want to be careful about mentioning other content that you have, even if it's on the Amazon platform, because again, technically the terms of service say they don't want you sending people outside of the Prime Video platform. Now, there are cases where someone does a search for your name within Amazon. You can see several kinds of content. For example, if you were to search for this person's name, you'll see Kindle books, paperback books, and you'll also see this person's courses here in this area. However, a content-based bundle strategy is one that you can undertake, and we will be talking about that in another video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.